Now it's coming down quite a bit. Barometric northeast in New York, upstate, heading toward Greenwich. Not Greenwich, Greenwich. Passing some farm communities right now. Probably Amish. Look how peaceful this is. Snow coming down. Roads are not terrible. Definitely drivable. It's 29 degrees. Not whiteout conditions. You can see quite a distance ahead of me. But all that fogginess ahead, that's all snow falling. This is definitely farm country up here. As it opens up to more farms, cows, horses, corn silos dot the landscape miles. Sunset View Farm, that's what we're passing right now. It's beautiful out here. You're getting some real winter, that's for sure. Definitely getting some real winter. Oh wow. Yeah, definitely getting some snow. So ahead of me here, we are getting into up on top of the mountain is Willard Mountain Ski Resort. I'm not going there, but we are really close to the area. As you can see, we're getting to 40 right now, Route 40, and just getting off Sarles Ferry Road. And I believe one of these roads up here will take you right up to Willard Mountain Ski Resort. So if you're ever interested in skiing, they definitely have snow, and I would be very surprised if they weren't open right now. So just a quick update on the snow that I'm driving through today. It's 28 degrees, and it is not winter yet, late fall. Thank you for tuning in to Barometric Northeast.